Hello! In this video, we will show you how to set up your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Genio. First, plug in Genio. Switch on the machine. While Genio warms up, the power button blinks red for about 40 seconds. When the machine is ready, the power button turns green. To save energy, Genio turns off after 5 minutes of not being used. First, remove the water tank. Rinse it with drinking water. Then, fill it with drinking water and reinsert it. Take the rinsing tool. It helps drive the water flow during the rinsing process. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can still rinse Genio. Reinsert the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Remove the drip tray. Use a container to collect the water. Select the 7th bar with a selection lever. Move the lever to the cold position. Genio will start rinsing. This can take about 30 seconds. Once the water flow has stopped, the lever automatically returns to the stop position and the power button blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. When the power button turns green, move the lever to the hot position. Genio will start rinsing for another 30 seconds. Once the water flow has stopped, the lever automatically returns to the stop position and the power button blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle at this moment. Remove the container. Remove the rinsing tool and keep it for future use. Reinsert the capsule holder. Put the drip tray back. You can adjust it. There's a low position for large cups, a middle position for medium cups, and a high position for small cups. Thank you for watching. Now you can enjoy making great coffees with your Genio.